This is the round-headed apple tree borer. Despite its name, it also attacks pears, peaches, and plums. It can kill your fruit tree by eating it from the inside. In this video, I will show you what an infected tree looks like and what I did to save my tree. If in the spring your tree has small leaves or lots of curled leaves, damaged bark at the base of the trunk, or exit holes at the bottom, your tree is probably infected with this bug. Here's what I did to save my tree. First, I removed all the fruits. I buried the grafting point because the rootstock was badly damaged. And I put some screen around the trunk to keep the bugs out. A month later, the tree started to make new roots from the scion, and new shoots started appearing. The leaves grew during the summer and the tree is now looking better. It's not saved yet because more bugs might still be eating their way inside the trunk. They can spend up to 4 years inside the tree. So if you see this bug around your fruit tree this spring, make sure to kill it.